Discover 20 must-have kitchen gadgets designed to make cooking, baking, and food prep safer, easier, and more enjoyable. From heat-resistant BBQ gloves to ergonomic jar openers, anti-fatigue mats, and adaptive utensils, these innovative tools enhance efficiency, comfort, and convenience for every home chef or senior. All products links in the description section below. Tired of struggling with stubborn jar lids, especially when your hands just won't cooperate? This electric jar opener steps in to make everyday kitchen moments smoother and stress-free. Whether you're prepping a quick breakfast or cooking dinner after a long day, it handles the hard work for you. No twisting, no strain, no frustration. It's especially helpful for anyone dealing with limited hand strength, turning a once annoying task into something effortless. Once you experience how simple opening jars can be, you might wonder how your kitchen routine ever worked without it. If your countertop ever feels crowded or hard to navigate, this sliding tray brings a whole new level of ease to your kitchen flow. Instead of lifting and dragging heavy appliances, you can simply glide them forward with a gentle push, perfect for coffee mornings or quick meal prep. The smooth 360-degree movement keeps everything accessible while protecting your surfaces from scratches. It's a small upgrade that makes a noticeable difference in how your space feels and functions. Once it's in place, you'll likely find yourself reaching for your appliances more often without the hassle. Opening a bottle of wine should feel like the start of a relaxing moment, not a struggle. This electric wine opener makes it effortless, letting you uncork in seconds with just a simple press. Whether you're hosting friends, celebrating a special occasion, or unwinding after a long day, it adds a touch of ease and elegance to the experience. With its sleek design and handy accessories, everything you need is right at your fingertips. It's one of those little upgrades that quietly elevates your routine and makes every pour feel just a bit more enjoyable. From effortless entertaining to everyday meal prep, having the right tools can completely change how you experience your kitchen. This Immersion Blender brings versatility right to your hands, making it easy to whip up smoothies, soups, sauces, or even baby food in minutes. Instead of juggling multiple appliances, everything comes together in one compact, easy-to-use solution. Whether you're experimenting with new recipes or just trying to save time on busy days, it fits seamlessly into your routine. Once you start using it, creating fresh, homemade blends might quickly become your new favorite habit. When things start heating up in the kitchen or at the grill, having the right protection makes all the difference. These BBQ gloves give you the confidence to handle hot, greasy, or steaming foods without hesitation, whether you're grilling outdoors or deep frying at home. The secure grip and heat resistance let you focus on cooking instead of worrying about burns or slips. It's the kind of upgrade that makes every barbecue session smoother and more enjoyable. Once you try them, stepping up to high-heat cooking just feels a whole lot easier and safer. Food prep can be one of the most satisfying parts of cooking until those small slips and close calls slow you down. That's where a simple tool like this Grater Guard makes a big difference, letting you slice, grate, and zest with added confidence. Whether you're prepping veggies for a quick meal or getting creative with new recipes, it helps keep your fingers safely out of the way. It's especially great for families or anyone who enjoys cooking regularly. Once it's part of your routine, you'll likely feel more relaxed and focused every time you prep. Sometimes it's the simplest tools that make the biggest difference in your daily routine. This under-cabinet jar opener stays neatly out of sight, but is always ready when you need it, turning stubborn lids into an easy, one-handed task. Whether you're rushing through meal prep or just don't feel like struggling with tight jars, it offers a reliable, no-fuss solution. It's especially helpful for anyone with limited hand strength, bringing back a sense of ease and independence in the kitchen. Once installed, it quietly becomes one of those things you'll use all the time. If you enjoy adding fresh ingredients to your meals but don't love the effort it takes, this electric cheese grater makes the process quick and hassle-free. From topping pasta to prepping veggies, it helps you get consistent results in seconds without the usual strain. It's perfect for busy kitchens where saving time really matters, while still keeping that homemade touch in every dish. Whether you're cooking for yourself or a group, it keeps things moving smoothly. Once you start using it, prepping ingredients might feel faster, easier, and a lot more enjoyable. Eating should feel comfortable and enjoyable, not frustrating or stressful. These weighted utensils are designed to bring more control and stability to every bite, helping reduce spills and make mealtime smoother. Whether it's breakfast at home or dinner with family, they offer a sense of ease that can make a real difference day to day. Thoughtfully designed for those who need a little extra support, they help turn a basic routine into a more confident experience. Once you try them, mealtime may start to feel a lot more relaxed and manageable. Handling hot plates and dishes can sometimes feel like a balancing act, especially when space is tight or things are fresh out of the oven. This plate gripper makes those moments much easier, giving you a secure hold without the need for bulky mitts. Whether you're lifting from an air fryer, microwave, or steamer, it helps you move things safely and confidently. It's a simple addition that can prevent spills and burned fingers while keeping your kitchen routine smooth. Once you start using it, you'll wonder how you managed without that extra control. Nothing beats the comfort of a warm, homemade soup, but prepping, cooking, and blending can take time. This soup maker handles it all in under 20 minutes, letting you enjoy fresh, flavorful soups with minimal effort. From creamy purees to chunky favorites, it even doubles as a blender for smoothies or compotes. With preset programs and an included recipe book, it's easy to experiment and create meals that suit your taste and schedule. Once you start using it, whipping up healthy, delicious soups becomes not just simple, but something you might actually look forward to. Handling hot trays from the oven or air fryer can be tricky, and one slip is all it takes for a burned hand or dropped dish. This tray extractor makes lifting and moving hot pans safe, simple, and comfortable. Its ergonomic design and anti-scald surface let you focus on cooking instead of worrying about burns. Perfect for busy kitchens or family meals, it saves time while keeping your hands protected. Once you start using it, retrieving trays and grills becomes effortless, turning what used to be a stressful task into a smooth, worry-free part of your cooking routine. Busy days don't have to mean skipping home-cooked meals. This small slow cooker makes it easy to prepare hearty, flavorful dishes without constant supervision. With adjustable temperatures and convenient liners, cleanup is simple, while the ceramic pot helps preserve nutrients and flavors. Perfect for family dinners or meal prep for two for people, it turns long cooking into a hands-off, stress-free experience. Once you start using it, you'll appreciate how effortlessly it fits into your routine, letting you enjoy warm, satisfying meals without the usual time and effort in the kitchen. Peeling and slicing vegetables doesn't have to be a chore anymore. This julienne peeler makes creating uniform, attractive strips effortless, whether for salads, stir-fries, or garnishes. Its sharp stainless steel blades and ergonomic design let you work quickly and safely, while cleanup is a breeze. Perfect for both everyday meals and special dishes, it helps turn simple ingredients into visually appealing, healthy creations. Once you start using it, you'll likely reach for it again and again, discovering how much easier and more enjoyable prepping vegetables and fruits can be. Shredding meat doesn't have to be messy or slow. These meat claws make handling hot pork, chicken, or turkey effortless, keeping your hands safely away from heat and grease. The sturdy stainless steel prongs and long wooden handles give you control, whether pulling apart a roast or tossing a salad. Perfect for BBQs, family dinners, or meal prep, they save time and add convenience to your kitchen routine. Once you start using them, you'll wonder how you ever managed without this simple yet versatile tool for shredding, lifting, and serving meat with ease. Opening bottles shouldn't be a struggle, especially for those with weak hands or arthritis. This ergonomic bottle opener makes it effortless to twist off plastic caps, soda bottles, and even pull tab cans. Its smart design provides maximum leverage, keeping your hands strain-free while making everyday kitchen tasks easier. Perfect for seniors, anyone with grip challenges, or just busy cooks wanting convenience. It sticks right on your fridge for quick access. Once you try it, you'll appreciate how simple and smooth opening drinks and cans can be, turning a small daily task into a stress-free experience. Say goodbye to tired feet and aching joints with the ComfoLife AntiFatigue Floor Mat. Crafted from 3/4-inch high-density memory foam, this mat provides exceptional comfort and support for long hours of standing in the kitchen, at a standing desk, or in high-traffic areas. Its non-slip, stain-resistant surface ensures safety and easy maintenance, while the durable construction keeps it looking new for years. Perfect for home cooks, office workers, or anyone who spends extended time on their feet, this mat turns everyday standing into a cushioned, comfortable experience. Upgrade your kitchen toolkit with the Husk heavy-duty poultry scissors, designed for precision, durability, and comfort. Made from premium stainless steel, these scissors easily cut through meat, chicken bones, and even fish scales, making meal prep faster and safer. The detachable design allows you to separate the blades for versatile tasks, while the spring-loaded handle ensures effortless cutting with reduced hand fatigue. A built-in safety buckle prevents accidental cuts, and the ergonomic grip provides control for any kitchen task. Ideal for home chefs, holiday cooking, or as a thoughtful gift, these scissors combine functionality, quality, and style in one essential tool. Simplify daily tasks with the Dextring Pull Popkin Opener, designed for seniors, those with arthritis, or anyone with weak hands. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable, firm grip, while the innovative ring pull design makes opening soda, pet food, or canned goods effortless. Minimal strength is required, reducing strain and protecting nails. Perfect for daily use, this adaptive gadget prevents spills, ensures smooth operation, and enhances independence in the kitchen. Durable, easy to use, and thoughtfully designed, it's an essential tool for accessibility and a practical, considerate gift for grandparents, seniors, or anyone needing hand assistance. Experience convenience and safety with the comfy electric kettle, perfect for quick boiling of up to 1.7 liters of water. Crafted from heat-tempered borosilicate glass and stainless steel, it features LED indicators, auto shut-off, and boil-dry protection. The 1500W Fast Boil design heats water in just 3 to 7 minutes, while the Cool Touch handle and 360 swivel base ensure safe, effortless use. Ideal for tea, coffee, or oatmeal, it's easy to clean and built to last. With precise temperature control and a 1-year manufacturer warranty, this kettle combines efficiency, safety, and style for any kitchen. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more amazing kitchen, home, and smart gadget finds. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments below.